What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And in today, I'm going to show you how to set up your TikTok shop so that you can start making a quick bang for your bucks on the e-commerce world and brand building. All right. So if you're new here, my name is Justin. I've been selling on Amazon for over 6 years already, and I do quite enough for myself to where I'm able to retire my mom. And now, even though we have a couple of stores still running, I do want to make a mission with my mentor Charlie to give the torch forward to show you guys what is possible. And if an immigrant like myself can do it to build a life where I can reach beyond the American dream, I know that you can do the same thing. If you want to learn more about what we do and our journey and how we help other people, make sure you check out the video description for more detail. So without further ado, let's jump into the computer so I can show you how to set up your TikTok shop account. All right, guys, we are inside of our computer now. So let me walk you guys through the setup system, how to set up your TikTok shop. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick preview. It's gonna have about 4 steps, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So don't stress out too much as I'm gonna walk you guys through step by step. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the TikTok Seller Center. You can find a link to this website in the video description, or just really go directly to sellertiktok.com. Once you're there, you can sign up. TikTok does give you an option to use your existing TikTok account, but for me, I don't recommend it because you want to keep your business and personal separately. So I recommend to create a new Gmail account and use that Gmail account to sign up specifically for your shop. So it's easier for you to manage. So you can either sign up using your email or your phone number right here. But for me, like I recommend using email. After you put your emails in, click continue. And it's gonna prompt you into set a password and complete the verification process. So you can input your password, confirm it, and once you're able to confirm the password, TikTok gonna send you a code to your email. Make sure you put that code in to verify. Once you're verified, it's time to choose your business type. In this case, TikTok Shop gives you 4 options: individual, sole proprietorship, corporation, and partnership. And for most of us here are beginner, you can either choose individual, and later on, once you incorporate your LLC, you can easily change that. And if you already have an LLC set up, you can either select this option. All right, so we're just gonna stick with individual, as I'm assuming you guys don't have a LLC set up. So once you select that, click on next. So step number 2, completing verification and adding business detail or individual detail. So once you're on step number 2, you will be asked to verify your identity by uploading a valid form of ID like a passport or driver license. You can either choose either or, but make sure you follow their criteria right here. Once you finish uploading, TikTok would ask you for some tax detail or individual detail. And if you register as an individual, just use your social security number, all right? There's going to be a section right here that you will fill out your private information. Once you finish, you can select on here, I certify that I do not have a business address and only have a residential address, or a combined business and residential, and etc. Right here, you can select your social security, the last 4, and click on next. For the address, you can use your home address if you don't have a business address yet, just to make sure everything is accurate. And like I mentioned, you can easily change that in the future. As you're being directed to the next page, where is privacy and security, TikTok would ask you in what country or region will TikTok user data be accessed, stored, and processed. You're going to select United States of America. Do you work with any third party or subcontractor? Select no, and click on confirm with the compliances, and confirm that there are no purposes for TikTok user data to be collected, and then click on next. So shop information, you can enter any name that you would like to, and don't stress too much on it. You can either use your name or any name that you feel inspired. So next we're gonna go through primary product. Like for me, I'm just gonna select pet supply, and in the future you can easily change it because TikTok right here they're stating that this won't affect your future business and will only be used for registration purposes, so you can put anything randomly. So right now, secure sign up, you can use your phone number right here to verify and click on submit. Once all your information is submitted, TikTok will review your shop. This can take up to 48 hours, but it's actually much quicker. And they will let you know within like 24 hours of some of the cases. So after you finish that verification, you're going to be led on this page where your registration has been approved. There's going to be a couple more steps that you need to get going. So it's going to be adding your tax information and set up shipping, add your first product, and also link your TikTok shop to your, let's say, Amazon or your TikTok account. So I want you to get this add tax information finished, all right? So name, you can do your personal name. This one is optional. And make sure you use your email that register from above for the tax information. Permanent resident address, use the address below. And just really follow their prompt. A lot of information in there are just personal and really straightforward to finish setting up your tax information. All right, so step number 3, explore the TikTok Seller Central. So by the step, I assume we're gonna finish most of the other self-explanatory requests from TikTok so that you can get verified. And I'm gonna show you around of TikTok Seller Central. Alright, while you're waiting for the remaining document to be verified, here is where you can go through this segment right here. So first we're gonna go through order, manage return, and shipping detail. In here with manage order, let's say if you have a customer order, it will show in here so that you can start preparing shipping that product out. You can also manage return, how many people return, and fulfillment center setting. Pretty simple and straightforward. And right here is products. You can manage product. You can either add a new product manually or you can import your product from your Shopify, your Amazon, and etc. We also have product shipping option right here. I should have put this up a little bit earlier, but right here, shipping option. TikTok will providing you with a couple shipping option in case if you fulfill it by yourself. They will give you some shipping information that you can select. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna ship with USPS. You're gonna click on this. You're gonna pay on their website, and they're gonna send you a label to print out and put on your shipment to ship it to the customer. So let's go down here, product optimizer in the product section. In here, let's say if you want to increase your visibility, TikTok will recommend photo and images to increase product visibility in TikTok for you. So media center right here where you can manage photo and video, and you can always add extra for TikTok shop. So if you want to create promotion like discount, giveaway, special deals, you will find those options under a promotional tabs right here. Marketing, promotional. So right here you can select promotion like product discount, flash deal, shipping free discount, and coupon. And if you're interested in running ads, this is also where you will manage your TikTok ad campaign right here at the section. So they often have special offer for new sellers, so be sure to check it if there's any ad credit available to help you get started with some free advertising. I think the last time that they was giving was about $1,500, so it's going to be available here for you. So let's talk about campaigns. In here, product campaign, you can do campaign like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, TikTok funded promotion. So TikTok, they're gonna offer you some shipping fee discount. So I want you to also pay attention to here, as it's gonna help you increase your sales. At this section right here, after marketing, gonna be affiliate. This is where you can reach more buyer, make more sales. You can promote your product by collaborating with content creator on TikTok. You can set a commission rate and pay only when they make a sales, and usually you can do about 20%, 30%. The more commission that you give away for people, the more appealing it would be for them to work with you. And right here, this section, there's analytics, where you can see your daily sales, average CVR per day, visitor. You can also see traffic, shop tab, post-purchase, product, promotion. And right here, you can see finance. You can see your finance, when you get paid, processing, and payment on hold. You can also add your bank account here so that they can just send directly money to your bank account. And lastly, you're going to be shop health. In here, you can manage your performance, because with TikTok Shop, they, just like Amazon, they don't want you to ship product late to the customer. So make sure that you pay attention to your account health and always keep it excellent, so that TikTok will prioritize your store over other people. Alright, so once you have your TikTok approved, you will need to connect it with your TikTok account. If you already have an account, just log out and link it and create a new fresh one. You can link your account easily by just scan the QR code. They're gonna do a QR code right here. And after linking your shop is fully set up, now you can start adding product to your TikTok video. The next video, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how you can link your Amazon to TikTok Shop, so that you can really start selling your product on TikTok Shop and have Amazon to send out the product. So now you don't have to do any fulfillment at all, because Amazon have warehouses across America. It's gonna be so much easier for y'all. All right. I hope you find the video valuable, and there are a lot more tutorial in my YouTube channel that you go through, where I will show you how to build your brand on Amazon and expand it outside many different platforms to start building not just one income stream, but many, many more. So consider to subscribe, comment down below if you have any question about any topic regarding to brand building, regarding to e-commerce and entrepreneurship, and I will be happy to answer. Lastly, don't forget to check out the free training that I have in the video description. And for a lot of you that want to learn more from me, we are hosting a free workshop where we're gonna pull back the curtain and walking you guys through the step-by-step on how to find your first product to where you can launch it on Amazon and start changing your life financially with Amazon. Thank you again for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace for now, guys.